Oh, hi everyone. Welcome back to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. Thank you for tuning in today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lisa, and on this channel, you will find crafts, DIY projects, and more. I was under the weather again, so I wasn't able to produce videos for a few weeks, but I'm feeling much better now, and I hope that the new year is treating you all amazingly well. Today I will give you a flip through of my 2020 goals page. It was very easy to make, and I will keep it in my planner where I can see it every day. The design of the page was inspired by Marquita, a planner babe here on YouTube, and her channel is at Home with Quita. I will leave a link to her video in the description box below, as well as a list of all the supplies that I used. So stay tuned to see how it turns out. To start the vision board, I used a piece of white cardstock and I used my printer to print 2020 and the name of my channel and the year. And then I took some of the Ms. Sparkle Floral Stamp Set and I stamped some images onto the label paper with these colors, the Memento Danube Blue and Bamboo Leaves and Stampabilities Baby Blue. And then I fussy cut those images and placed them onto the cardstock. I used some stickers from the Dollar Tree to spell out the word vision. Then I used some washi tape, also from the Dollar Tree, to attach the first piece of cardstock to another piece. And this is the back of the second page. I attached a sheet of the Happy Planner notes page onto the cardstock and added some stickers for work and finance. And I was really anxious to get this project started. I filled out my work goals, which I'm not ready to share at the moment, so I'm sorry about that. For my finances, there are a couple of things that I want to save for in 2020, but more importantly, I want to feel the joy of missing out, all the clutter and other things that make life so stressful and needlessly complicated. I want to simplify my life at this stage. On the inside of the front cover, I have my spiritual, personal, and family goals. And for spiritual, I want to worry less, continue to accept God's timing in everything, and to remind myself that God gives me grace, but I need to give myself grace as well. For personal, I would like to read more, become a better cook, which that one was also in my 2019 goals, but Lord knows nothing happened in that category. For the family home goals, my main focus is to simplify, to declutter everything that we don't need, that we don't use, because as my brother Tim used to say, less is more. And every time that we move, I'm realizing that more and more. My other goal in this area is to enjoy moments, not things. I want to make memories with my family and friends, because at the end of the day, what matters most is the time you've spent with someone and the time you've taken to make this world a better place. On the inside of the back cover is the wellness goal, and This is what I'm going to concentrate on most in 2020 to get myself to the place where I want to be physically. I have mapped out this chart, and I feel that it is important to discuss this with you. I want to start first to exercise more and to drink more water, to not only eat right, but eat on time. And I feel that these three combined will lead to my core being strengthened. And when that happens, that will lead to weight loss, less chronic pain, and better sleep. Now, those three, I feel, will affect the mental health. And when your mental health is in good shape, then you're able to do all the things that you want to do. It also works in reverse, that when you're able to do the things that you want, your mental health continues to get better, and then you lose more weight, you have less pain, and you sleep better. So I'm trusting that this will work out for me in 2020. So friends, I hope that you enjoyed this flip through of my 2020 goals page, and I hope that it inspired you to create your own. It doesn't have to be elaborate, but just write your goals down and put them where you can see them every day to remind yourself of what you're working towards. If you do make a goals page, snap a photo of it and tag me on Facebook or Instagram. I will leave those links in the description box below. In the comment section below the video, let me know what you would like to see more of on this channel in 2020. The choices are card making, cake decorating, crafts and DIY home decor, home organization on a budget, or plan with me videos. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces and click on the notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. Hit the like button and remember to share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, smile and create your own masterpiece today.